Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to understand two indicators by using which you can make a good amount of profit. Alright, so the indicators are fractal Kell bands and SCD. First, we'll change their settings. Don't keep them at default. For the fractal Kell bands, set the period to 3. For the MACD, we'll set the fast period to 5, the slow period to 10, and the signal period to 5. We'll also change the style, set the width to 2 pixels, and do the same for the other one, set it to 2 pixels as well. Alright, let's save this. Now our indicators are ready to use. So as we look here, I can see a pretty good opportunity. There's about to be a downtrend because if you see here, a red candle has crossed the fractal Kell band line from top to bottom, which means selling pressure is about to increase. So I've placed a $200 trade here. Now let me explain the concept to you. The idea is that whenever the fractal Kell band line, the upper line you see here, is touched by a candle, or if a candle crosses above it, then there are high chances that the market will move upwards. If this crucial line is decisively crossed by a prominent red, downward moving candle, then there are indeed very high chances that the market will subsequently move significantly downwards. So let's carefully observe here. Our current trade seems to be clearly winning, and we could also distinctly see on the MACD indicator that the market was imminently about to go down, precisely because both the vibrant green and the deep red lines are unequivocally pointing downwards, which definitively means a strong downtrend has unmistakably started from this particular point. And here, we've successfully made a substantial profit of exactly $34. Now, let's proceed to open another chart. Let's meticulously check the EUR USD pair. Alright, in the EUR USD chart, there's a noticeable downtrend currently going on. Here, we can clearly see that this specific red candle you observe has indeed crossed this important line from top to bottom. The very next candle that formed was a bright green one, and again another green candle appeared, but then a distinct red candle subsequently formed here, indicating a potential shift. Now, it seems to me that there are chances the market will go down from here again, so I will place my next trade for a downward move, and let's see if our trade wins here or not. Similarly, if you look at the MACD, the market line has crossed both lines here. Alright, I've placed my first trade here. Here the red line has crossed the green line, which means a downtrend is about to start. So our red candle has started forming here. In this way, you need to observe very carefully and patiently. You shouldn't rush into anything. And let me tell you one thing, indicators only indicate to us, they don't give us confirmation. They won't give you a definite answer, but they will indicate whether the market might move downward or upward. Alright, so we also really need to use our own extensive knowledge, and by carefully applying some specific indicators, we absolutely need to take our trades. So here, our current trade is about to win. Let's just wait a little bit more and see what happens. Okay, so here another successful trade of ours has indeed won. That's another $34 in profit for us. So this is precisely how you should effectively use this particular indicator. Alright, let's look at one more chart for better confirmation so that you'll understand it more clearly. Here, as you can see, there was an uptrend and then it started turning into a downtrend. If you look here, a red candle crossed the band's line, and as soon as it came below it, a downtrend started from there. Alright, here we don't currently see any clear chances of an uptrend, but I should also show you a trade in an uptrend so that you get good confirmation from both sides. So I can clearly see an uptrend here because this green candle has touched the band's line from bottom to top, which means an uptrend is indeed about to come. So I can confidently place my next trade here. Now let's carefully see what the MACD indicator is showing us. It's indicating that the market could potentially go downward from here, so we are not getting confirmation from this indicator. That means we absolutely shouldn't place a trade here as it could be very risky. So let's open another chart. Okay, this one is also showing a downtrend. So let's open one more chart. All right, let's check air rub. Here we can see uptrend. Okay, so I'll place my next trade here for an upward move. All right, I've placed a trade for 122 in the upward direction. Here we can clearly see a strong uptrend and the market seems to be moving upwards from here. There are high chances that the market will go further up because this green candle has crossed the fractals line, which means the market will continue to rise from here. Let's wait a bit and see what result we get here, whether our trade wins or not. But there are more chances that the trade will win. As I told you, these indicators only indicate, they don't confirm what will happen. You have to use your own knowledge, and we can also use martingale if needed. I don't see any upper wick here, which means there are solid sellers. Here, I haven't used martingale. Instead, I've placed two trades here. If I had seen a wick here, I would have placed an upward trade and used martingale, but right now, I see strong sellers here. Here, I've placed two trades of $202 each to recover my loss. In trading, there are both losses and profits. It's not like we're gods that none of our trades will ever lose, right? Everyone has losing trades, but a trader is someone who makes more profit and less loss. So if you incur a loss, it's not a problem, but your profit should be greater than your loss, okay? Now, let's see. Our trade seems to be winning here. Let's wait a little and see what happens. I see a strong red candle, a strong sell candle. We've made a profit of $672 here, and now a downtrend has started because this red candle has crossed this green line. So that's it for today's video. I hope you understood these indicators. If you did, first use them on demo, and only after that use them on real trades so you understand them well and then you can make a profit. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. And yes, if you have any issues or queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll reply to you. And if you want a video on any other topic, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that topic for you. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.